everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to show you a very special video. I wanted to unbox a new mascara from L'Oreal called the Air Volume Mascara. I wanted to show you guys my first impression of this mascara and see what the hype is all about. I know a lot of people have been ordering this mascara specifically because it claims to give your lashes a boost and a lot of volume, and I wanted to try it out and see what the hype is all about. If you want to see my first impression of this mascara, then please do keep watching. So this is the mascara. This is how it's packaged, just like any ordinary drugstore makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I know you guys can tell that I have no lashes on this eye, but that's because I'm going to test out the mascara on this eye. This is how it looks once you open up the packaging. It just says Air Volume Mega Mascara on the cover. It's a very compact mascara. I like the shape of it. It's very flat. Let's open this up and see how the brush would look. The brush looks very ordinary. The mascara is just very ordinary. I'm pretty sure that the formula, there's something with the formula that's different. So let's go ahead and try this out on our eye. I'm going to go ahead and apply the mascara on this eye. Let's go ahead and get started. The mascara wand itself, I think it's very straight. As you guys can see, it's a very straight wand. But I'm going to go ahead and start applying it. So this is the first coat. This is the first coat, you guys, and it's not really doing much. I think it's just an ordinary mascara, for me at least. Let's go ahead and apply some on the bottom lashes. So guys, this is the first coat for the top and bottom lashes. I think it looks very ordinary for the top lashes, but once it comes to the bottom lashes, I think it's doing a good job. So guys, let's go ahead and continue with the second layer of mascara. This is coat 2. So guys, this is coat 2 of mascara on this eye. I really think it's very clumpy on the top, if you guys can notice. I see a lot of clump around this area. I don't think that's nice. I don't really like clumpy mascara, but this one, it's, I don't know, it just looks like a very good mascara for, like, you know, I think false lashes. For my eyelashes, I really don't like clumpiness, especially when it's like that. It's very irritating to me. I don't know, I just feel like wiping it off. But for the bottom lashes, you guys, this mascara is very wonderful. For the bottom lashes itself, I think it's really nice for the bottom lashes. So you guys, I'm going to go in with one last coat of mascara on this eye. I'm going to do 3 coats in total. So this is my third coat. So let's see how it goes. This is the third coat, you guys. And I'm also like going a little on top like that, just so it can get rid of the clumpiness, because I don't like that. I don't like a clumpy, you know, mascara. Now for the bottom lashes. You guys, this is the third coat. The bottom lashes look honestly like spider legs to me. The top is very clumpy as well. The bottom is very clumpy. But honestly, after trying this mascara, this is how the results are. I think it's pretty clumpy, but it looks very voluminous. So you all, my overall rating for this mascara specifically, I think I'm going to give it, out of 10, I'm going to give it a 7. Because honestly, it's very good for your bottom lashes, but for your top lashes, it's not that great. Honestly, I think it's because of the brush that it comes with. The brush itself is not very great. Honestly, it's just like a ordinary brush for any other mascara that's under $5. Honestly, it's a very cheap brush. Other than that, I think I really like this mascara because of how great it goes under your lower lashes. This mascara, I think it's also great for false lashes as well. I haven't applied it here, but I have a feeling that it's probably going to be good for false lashes because it seems like it's a good mascara for long eyelashes. I have very short eyelashes, so this is not really great. I don't like how the brush is shaped. I don't like how thick the brush is. It could have been a little more thinner. The bristles could have been way more different. I don't really know how to say it, but I think the bristles are way too old-fashioned. They could have just added thinner bristle, like a comb-like bristle, so that it can go through every lash and not be clumpy. That was my main problem with this mascara, is the fact that it was very clumpy when I was applying it. It was very clumpy, and that was the only reason why I didn't really like it that much. Other than that, this is honestly a okay mascara. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.